Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use the zoom magnifier function on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So if you need to take a closer look at something like this one here, this small flower here, you can use the magnification feature. To do so, you first need to turn it on your iPhone. So the first thing to do is to go back to your home screen and tap on settings. In settings, go down and tap on accessibility, then tap on magnifier, and make sure you switch it on by tapping on the magnifier switch to turn it on. Once it is on, you can access the magnifier function from your home screen, or you can access from your app library. You need to put in magnifier and it will appear right here. So let's say it is on your home screen already. All you have to do is just tap on it to open up your camera in magnification mode. Now in here there are a few things that you can do. So you can simply just pinch it in and out to zoom in or zoom out, like so. There is also a bar here that you can drag to zoom in or zoom out on the subject that you are looking at. Now there are also other features. You can swipe up like that, and this will bring out like a selection of tools that you can use. You can change the brightness of your camera. Now if you tap on it again, it will close, and then it will reveal other options. So in here you got contrast. You can change the contrast, and if you tap on it, it will close. Then you can choose the flashlight. You can turn on the flashlight or turn it off. So it is useful if you are looking at something at nighttime. Now there is also the people detection that you can tap on it to turn on or off. So it will basically tell you if there is people detection or not. So I'm just going to end that feature. And there is also a filter function that you can tap on. So I'm just trying to get that into view. And then you can tap on that to change the filter. So here, say I want to apply a gray scale filter or a magenta filter on this. Then you got yellow, you got purple, and then there's other inverted color as well. So choose one of the filter that you like to use. And then you can tap on the shoot button to take the shot. And you can also take multiple shots by simply tapping on the view button, and then again you can add in another shot with a different filter. Now once you're happy, you can tap on the view, and then you can select which photo you like to use, and then tap on the share button up here, and then tap on save image. If you tap on the save image, that will be saved to your photo app. If you don't save, then it will not save to your Photos app. Now that once it is saved to the Photos app, we can open it up and have a look. So let's take a look. So here I'm just going to go back here to see where it is, where it has saved to. So recent. So let me go back and have a look. So in magnifier, I just want to make sure that it has saved. Maybe it won't save this photo here, but it's actually saved the original photos. So I'm going to tap on that, then I'll tap on that and tap on share, save image. So we can see here when it's saved the image, it just saved as the original image and not the actual filter that I have applied. So if I close that and if I go to photos, you can see it still only saved the original image. So even though I apply the filter onto magnifier, it can only save the original photos, not with the filters I have applied on it. And that's it. So that's how you can use magnifier on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.